What's Bob and Chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple Jersey Club track. And before we start, make sure you like and subscribe. Now, let's open up the Jersey Club 1K Abundance drum kit. It's a drum kit I released a month or two ago. I'll leave it in the description below. We're gonna make a Jersey Club pattern real quick. I like the yo kick, so let's get the bounce. Let's increase it to 157. Temper the volume. Make sure you always cut itself. Now we're gonna go into the pre-computer effects. We're gonna turn up the boost. Now we're gonna paste that in, right? Then we're gonna go to the loop, so we're gonna get the breath loop. We're gonna time stretch it, so it hits the fifth bar. So now it sounds like this. Now at the end of the loop, it reverses and it sounds like this. So we're just gonna remove the kicks right there, so it sounds like this. So now we're gonna get some open hats. We're gonna just chop up the open hats just a little bit. So we're gonna have two open hats. We're gonna have the sonar. We're gonna have the Zozoe. So I added the sonar open hat right here, and you hear what it sounds like. So now we're gonna chop up the Zozoe. And the reason why we chop up this one is just to give it a little bit more groove. That's all. Now you see how the two open hats work well with each other. Also make sure you have all your sounds linked in the mixer track, right? And now that we have the basic groove going on, we're gonna go to the Unplugged loop kit. We're just gonna pull up a loop. This will also be in the link in the description. We're gonna pull this in, right? Now we're going to keep it exactly how it is because it sounds like the vocals is already pre-chopped. Kind of is, but we'll leave it how it is. It sounds cool. And we're going to add in the outro melody loop. So what I did was just chop up the ends, make it more tight. And we're going to focus on leveling later. We're going to make sure these two are on the mixing board, right? While we're here, we can just edit the sound so we can level it a little bit. So we want the kick to be the loudest. It's okay, it's in the red. We just got to add a clipper at the end. We're just leveling things out. Now we're gonna add a shaper, stereo shaper, and we're gonna go to one of the presets. We're just gonna hit stereoize. It gives the melody more space to breathe. Right, and we're going to keep it simple. We're going to add an 808 and we're just going to call it a day. Charge K. Increase the kick again. Now I'm going to have 808 and on a different pattern just so we can have the 808 follow the melody loop, right? Now if you want, you can chop out the ends right here, and you're basically done. Really simple. Now all the sounds will be in the description below. I'll also leave this project file in the description below, available for free. You can go get it, go play around with it. But this is how you simply make a Jersey Club track. You got the, let me open up the patterns. You got the kick, you got a breath loop, you got some open hats, you got some vocals, and you got a melody, you got an 808. That's all the basics that you really need. Now, I'll see you in the next one, and have a good day.